good morning. Today we are at Kelvin Heights in Queenstown next to the Hilton Hotel, and we will take you on a bike tour, e-bike tour today throughout the Kelvin Heights. Very nice loop, you will see. Difference will be that we, instead of walking as we usually do or going with the car, we will be getting on e-bikes. So let's go and get those bikes. Hey, so this is it. This is the place that you're looking for when you're going for a rental e-bike. They have plenty of them, which is amazing. They're just next to the grill as well, the grill place for very good food, and the view over here. This is so pretty. Artus is getting ready as well, and we're off to do the trail. Test of this bike for that mountain. Really good, really good. All that you have to do is put it on turbo and just do some clicks over here with your right hand, and it is super simple. I mean, I would normally probably almost die if I would have to do this with normal bike. This was easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is a really good trail, really fun, a lot of fun. This is the first time we actually do it by bikes, and I truly do like it. It is, so with the e-bike it comes very easily, because even those like little mountains, it goes up or down, you know, they are super chill to ride, and I believe that anyone pretty much can do it. Now we are almost done with it, and it's great. The views are great, really, and that's the Queenstown. There's even the gondola, and you can see pretty much everything from here. Behind us, this is Kelvin Heights, and it's just so beautiful. It's a perfect day before all those rainy days that are coming our way. Interesting thing about this trip is that till this morning, actually, we didn't know that we're coming, and now we're here, and I hope you like it.
Another beautiful day in Queenstown. While Sigita here, no, while Sigita here. Okay, I don't know where Sigita is. But today we had the opportunity to use e-bike. So this is my baby for today. I'm using it, and this is my second experience with the e-bike, and the longest one. I use it for at least 2 hours, so I can explain you how it is if you have never used this kind of device, because it's electronic bike and it gives you extra boost, power and energy to go up the hills or longer distance, and it's very easy to use, and yeah, very easy to use. Of course, you need to a little bit adjust to it, because sometimes when you just ride, it gives you this boost and you have feeling that you're like kind of lean back a little bit, but that's good. So yeah, I will tell you more about my experience. Okay, so let's start with the easy steps, how to use it. So basically this big one is a huge battery. So all this area, if we can take this off, you can see, so it's covered. Okay, so without the battery, when it's off, you can use this bike as a bike. So you just ordinary bike, just heavier than you could be used to it. And so how to start the battery? So yeah, so the button was up here, and you have your screen. You can see how fast you're going, and with this you can turn the modes like Eco, Tour, Sport, Turbo. Each level is faster and faster, so if you are not adrenaline junkie or something, so maybe use Tour or Eco if you are going for long distance, and Tour just as us, as a real tourist hanging out in Queenstown, in Kelvin Heights, I guess is this area where are we now, with the beautiful view to the Queenstown. So yeah, it's behind me. I will go away. And yeah, we found the Sigita. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's it. Let's ask Sigita what she thinks. So Sigita,
Yeah.
how do you like your e-bike? I was telling our audience how to use it and the modes, and a little bit explained
Oh wow.
What I know.
E-bike expert. No, from the lady perspective, I do like that it is very easy to use. There are not a lot of settings that I would have to know, learn by heart and then be freaked out if I don't know, I have to go up. What do I do? It's not like that. It really is very easy. And yeah, I'm not sweaty today, which is good. I bet I would be, because there was some hills up. But then you just press that turbo button and you're almost like supersonic, Yeah, that's about it.
Okay, thank you.
It was a really good day.
Yeah, it was yeah, it was a nice day. It's not too hot.
Yes.
And our experience about the bikes. So yeah, when we just ride for 10-15 minutes, we started to understand actually how the bike works. So remember before I told you, now you're gonna need to use that video. So when I told you, when you start to ride, it kind of pushes you back. So that strongness depends which level you are using. If it's turbo or eco, so it will be less and more. So you're gonna feel the push.
Mm-hmm. But the push before you go up the hill, the push is exactly what you need. So that is really good. And definitely, yeah, if you're in Queenstown, you want to see different Queenstown, choose e-bikes and do it by e-bike. Really good. Subscribe, like. I'll see you soon, somewhere in the world. Bye.